I also call upon Mr. Manish Singh, the Country Manager, Harlequin India, publishers of Mills and Boon. Mills and Boon is over 100 years old, publishing 31 languages in 111 countries. Recently,
Still.
Hello. Good afternoon. On behalf of Harlequin India, and come here to witness this exciting association. There seems to be a great synergy in the association, as Mills and Boon is all about pure and emotional romance. A great product which has two love stories from Mills and Boon that clearly depicts, beautifully depicts the romance. And we are releasing these products in 2 different languages, English and Hindi. I'm very happy to share that first, and we will see this.
बैठ यार मनु नीचे वीडियो
You promised to protect me, to guard me from all danger. But what if you're the one I need protection for? What if my heart is in danger just because of you? What will I do? To whom will I go? Because wherever I turn, I only see you. Your laugh chases me. Your smile blocks my way. Your eyes trap me.
well, we would like to know the opinions of Ranveer on this note.
Wow. It sounds like Pakhi is speaking about Varun. Pakhi speaking about Varun. It's, I don't know, it's kind of double-edged, isn't it? where she's saying, look, this is how crazy I am about you, but I really want to strangle you and kill you because you're such an asshole. So, well, I think it's really well written, first of all. The words, the prose is very, very impressive. And it's very, very heartfelt. I wish I could read more. I really wanted to continue. It's lovely.
Thank you, Ranveer, for sharing your thoughts. I request the media to now ask their questions.
This being your first film with Ranveer, we mostly would want to know, is he as chivalrous as he just showed us in real life as well? Give it the mic. That was just for a photo.
I'm going to take the liberty of answering that question. Just 2 days back.
That's how chivalrous he is. He won't even let the lady answer.
2 days back, I've gotten a lecture on this from her. Please elaborate.
Still दादा.
So yeah, that was just for a photo opportunity.
I'm sorry. She's just pulling the wool over your eyes. I always hold the door. I always let the lady pass first. I always pull up the chair and put the chair back in. I don't start eating till the lady is ready to eat. I do all of these things without fail. Every time.
आपका ये लुक बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है प्रैक्टिस एंड ऑल बॉलीवुड में बहुत चलन शुरू हो गया है दबंग हो राउडी राठ वालों पूछे आपको पर्सनली ये लुक कैसा लगा है और पर्सनल लाइफ में क्या प्रैक्टिस रखते हैं आपको शौक है
Can you repeat the question? Thanks. जी हाँ. If I was left to be, तो मैं इतने बाल मैं इतने लंबे उगाता, एक बड़ी सी दाढ़ी, like a साधु look रखता. If I wasn't playing characters for my line of work, if I was left to be, तो मैं लंबे बाल और दाढ़ी रखता. और that's how it would be in my personal life. Yes, I am very attached to my mustache. I love twirling it. हाँ जी, दबंग में है. It's a little more similar to Rowdy, but what I'm happy about is that handlebars are back. अगर आप देखो शिखर धवन ने रखे हैं, रविंद्र जडेजा ने रखे हैं, and देखो उनकी लक कैसे चमक गई. We have lifted the cup thanks to the handlebars. So I hope my handlebars are as lucky for me as they have been for Team India. I'm glad. I think I've, if I may say so, started a trend. What do you think? Don't angry me. Don't angry.
टाइम की बात है जिस फिल्म किस वक्त प्रमोट हो रही है वही बेस्ट लगता है. सबसे बेस्ट ऑप्शन आपने निकाल ही दिया. तो अब इस समय की बात करें तो रणवीर सिंह ही अच्छे लगते हैं मुझे. वैसे प्रकाश भी अच्छा लग रहा है, उसकी भी मुझे काफी अच्छी है.
आप इतना अच्छा मौका दे रहे तो सोच के बताओ.
Ranveer Sonakshi, this is Sneha from Times Now. What's at the back over here? What's the most Mills and Boons like thing you guys have done in your life? For you, Ranveer, first.
I do something that is Mills and Boons-esque every day. There's no one thing. I can't count the number of Mills and Boons type thing. My life is like Mills and Boons. Really.
My question to you is that you're doing very well in your career, but how do you see your competition among your contemporaries? Who do you find the strongest competitor in your contemporaries?
Hello. Okay. I'm an actor, so I believe I'm an artist. What I do is subjective matter. It's subjective. It can't be quantified. What can't be quantified can't be considered competition. So I'm don't consider myself as being part of a competition or a rat race. I'm just an artist doing my thing. There's no better or worse. What you take away from a film, what you take away from a performance may be different from what somebody else takes away. So, you know, it's a subjective matter that can't be quantified. So I don't view it as a competition at a very fundamental level. Panchamda की खास बात ये थी that he was an innovator as a musician. You know, the kind of sounds, the kinds of songs he came up, you had not heard before. He was always ahead of his time. He was something like Pink Floyd, you know, always innovating, always coming up with things that set a trend, that people follow. And he came up with it. So that's the true genius of it, that he's a true creator. And that's why I absolutely love his music. And the other thing I love about his music, that it's genuinely timeless. You know, it was as good back then as it is now. It evokes the same emotion, the same reaction of me from me after I don't know 30, 40 years. So I think it's credit to his genius as a creator.
Thank you, Ranveer.
And I hope our little tribute to him from our album Savarlu makes him happy somehow.
Thank you, Ranveer and Sonakshi.
रणवीर, मेरा सवाल आपसे है रणवीर, here.
We need to close off with this session of questions, please.
एक क्वेश्चन मेरा आपसे है.
Okay, I'm sorry. From what it looks like, we'll do
Last
this one and this one, and then we'll okay. Sorry.
मेरा सवाल आपसे है रणवीर, how true is that you are working in Magadha sequel in Hindi film?
It's not true, not right now.
And you are playing
Anyway.
Ramcharan's character.
Well, I've seen Magadhira. I was absolutely blown away by it. I think Ram Charan is an outstanding talent. I'm looking forward to his movie, but no, I'm not doing Magadhira right now.
रणवीर, अगर आपको करियर वाइज देखना तो जिस तरीके से आप लगातार कामयाबी चढ़ रहे हैं, रणवीर, जिस तरीके से आपका करियर देख रहे हैं, जिस तरीके से ग्राफ लगातार.
Excuse me, please let him speak.
Sonakshi, I have a question. आपका जो एक नाम है, वो जो मूवी भी आप करते हैं 100 करोड़ के पार जाते हैं, तो लुटेरे से आपकी क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन?
अरे इसके लिए मैंने एक साउंड इफेक्ट बनाया है, आप सुनना चाहेंगे?
जी बिल्कुल.
सोनाक्षी के लिए स्पेशली ओए साहब, रेडियो के लिए मैंने बनाया. जब भी ऐसी सोनाक्षी की कंसिस्टेंसी और कमर्शियल सक्सेस की बात की जाती है, एक पंच आना चाहिए. सोनाक्षी सिन्हा, the 100 crore princess.
Yeah, Sonakshi here. This is Vijay. Vijay. Well, so have you read any of the Mills & Boons and which character, do you associate yourself with?
You know what, to be very, very honest, I haven't. But since our faces are targeted of this edition of the Mills & Boons books, I'm going to take it home and make sure that I read it.
Okay,
रणवीर, अगर आपकी बात ये जिस
one minute. Sonakshi, this particular number, Savarlu, I suppose it's picturized on you. What is being the experience as far as the dance is concerned? Dance part is coming, because I'm a classical dancer, that's why I want to know.
Dancing in the song.
Yeah, but it's a very rhythmic number.
It was a tribute to SD Mohammed and Mohammed Saab, and it's picturized on the process of falling in love between Paki and Varun, and it's very beautifully picturized, but unfortunately there's no dancing to this.
I wish there was, because it's extremely rhythmic.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I don't know. It sounds to me like you would like to show us a classical dance on Savarlu right now. Please, come. We have Savarlu, please.
Varde. ready?
Well, guys, now we really need to stop with this session. Please, we really need to stop off this session now.
A big round of applause for Mr. Guru Shankar, please. You be careful, huh? The new 100 crore princess.
We,
Sir, एक और बार, please. Could not hear you, sorry. मुझे पूछ रहे हैं? हेलो हेलो हाँ हाँ प्लान तो है हाँ 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 प्लान तो है
ये हाथ नीचे
आपके पास कोई मतलब है तो प्लीज बता दीजिए जो मुझे कंट्रोल कर पाए वैसी होनी चाहिए
okay, that was a really lovely answer.
They've come close.
Yeah. Thank you everyone for your questions and thank you all of you for sharing your lovely thoughts. We should now start off with the book signing session. If it's a personal book, please make sure that you on it from the landmark team. And if you are buying the book, please make sure you carry the bill before you get it signed. And we can start off with the book signing session.
विनोद ये स्टील ये सुनील ये सुनील बिचौड़ा
Can somebody turn him on, please? Oh, sir, turn his mic on, please.
अरे देखते
Very bad condition. We are pressed. You guys are क्या बॉलीवुड कुछ हेल्प के लिए सोच रहा है?
I'm sorry, can you ask me again?
उत्तराखंड बहुत बुरी कंडीशन में है. आप लोगों की तरफ से कोई प्रेस वहाँ के लोगों के लिए या आप लोग बॉलीवुड की तरफ से कुछ सोच रहे हैं कुछ हेल्प के लिए?
Well, I don't know if our fraternity is particularly banding together in any way to make an effort, but I am sure there are individual pockets of people who are. I know of them because I've heard of them. I sympathize with all the sufferers of this tragedy. What's scary is that this is a very as bad as it is, the magnitude of it is a very small thing of what may lie in store for the future. That's what I'm really scared about. So I hope whoever's in charge up there can make some provisions and brace themselves because the danger is looming. आज एक बम फटा है और 8,000 बाकी है जहाँ से फट कर आया है. So that's what's really scary. So I keep following the news to see what is being done. I saw actually somebody showed me a amateur video of an incident that just really disturbed me last night. So yeah, I feel terrible and it gets you thinking, you know, life is fragile and the world looks like it's coming to an end. So love wholeheartedly. That's all I can say.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Mudera being the
Well, I certainly hope so, for the sake of my own film. But I think it's coincidental. It just so happens that the better films have been from the romantic genre. I hope we can pick up on the same trend and do as well. I think the fact that Lutera is releasing during the most romantic time of the year, that's something I'm quite happy about. I find the monsoons very romantic, unlike some people. But yeah, I think the music of Lutera, the kind of feel it has, the kind of film it is, it's most appropriate that it releases during this time. It just enhances the experience.
You're promoting Lutera.
दीपिका नीचे दीप्ति नीचे दीप्ति
There you met Madhuri, and it's been said that Madhuri is going to perform a song in Ramlila. So are you going to be a part of that song? And if she's doing an item song, what is your reaction? What do you have to say about that? About her dancing and doing an item song in your film?
I thoroughly enjoyed what she did in Ye Jawani Hai Diwani, but I don't know what's happening. All I'm thinking right now is Ramlila. I mean Lutera. So anyway, I'm not thinking anything else but Lutera right now. We are about 9 days from release. We are 9 days from release. I haven't had a release in 19 months. I'm very anxious, very excited. I'm a whole lot of things right now. There's a whirlwind of emotions. I'm pretty much promoting Lutera everywhere, all day, every day, on every platform and in every way possible. Let people know that Lutera is coming out on the 5th of July. So please do take your lover, do take everybody you like to watch films with to watch this film. We promise you a unique cinematic experience, the kind of emotions you will go through, the kind of emotional graph journey, roller coaster you will go through watching this film will be memorable. And I really do hope the very best for our upcoming release.
I really hope it's going to be a blast. And it's now an end for the question session. I thank you all for being a part of this event, and we thank our partners Landmark.
सर सोनाक्षी मैडम यहाँ पर मैम सोलो नहीं मैम आपका सर रणबीर सर सर